Question often boils down to what's better, machines or free weights? If retirement is the beginning of your adventure and not the end, you're going to want to hear this because you've been lied to. People that go headfirst into retirement with a giant bucket list and aspirations typically realize that strength training should be part of the equation. My name is Donovan Belcourt. I have a degree in applied kinesiology. I've owned a gym for the last 12 years, and over the last 12 years, I've worked with people between the ages of 60 and 102 maintain their independence, build strength, build muscle, and live a more active life than they could possibly imagine. After the age of 60, you lose about 1% of muscle tissue per year. Now, this may not seem significant on a year time horizon, but stretch it out over a decade, and this much muscle loss can be life-changing. And if you're anything like my clients, they care about, first, not falling. Second, having the stamina to continue to do things that they want to do. Second is staying out of the orthopedic surgeon's office. They want strong, healthy joints. Number 4, they want to build muscle because they don't want to look old, because they don't feel old. And the last one is safety. They want to make sure that when they're lifting weights, it's productive, not counterproductive and setbacks like an injury. So, machines or free weights? Well, machines don't require you to balance or learn the technique. Most machines have the writing right on the side of it of exactly what to do. Makes it more accessible, but the machine will put you in a predetermined range of motion that might not fit your body type. While free weights are tougher to learn, and they might put your joints in dangerous positions because you have to control them in space, and they allow you to choose your own technique, even if it's incorrect. And before we go into which is better, machines or free weights, let's address some common misconceptions. Fall risk isn't a balance problem. It's a muscle strength and muscle power problem. Joint health isn't a flexibility problem. It's a load tolerance problem. How much load can your tissues handle before they deteriorate? Stamina isn't a cardio problem. You don't want to run your way into stamina. Stamina is a muscular endurance and strength capacity problem. And safety while strength training is more about load management than exercise technique. So if you care about checking items off your bucket list or running circles around your friends that aren't quite yet retired, you know you need to strength train, but should you use machines or free weights? The answer is machines, for one reason. Machines allow you to scale the intensity and the load much quicker, resulting in faster, more reliable progress. And I can already hear the internet complaining about this one. But what about the stabilizer muscles? Your stabilizing muscles, which is hint all of them, even the big ones, don't magically turn off when you start exercising with a machine. In fact, with absolute loads higher, meaning you can handle more weight on a machine often than you can free weights, the stabilizer muscles are often more active and more stimulated, which means they grow and get stronger quicker when you use machines. So if you want to say yes to every adventure in retirement, you have to be strength training, and it has to be with machines so you can push that load and push the intensity high enough for your muscles, tendons, and ligaments to grow and adapt so you can continue to do the things you want to do and use your body the way that you want to use it. And that's what freedom through strength is.